Hi everyone, welcome to Shakti Success Show. And in this special episode of Shakti Success Show, we have special guest Sadhna Kaushal, and she is wonderful human being and soulful being, and she helps high potential professionals to restore inner authority and calm by clearing deep rooted emotional blocks. Welcome Sadhna to Shakti Success Show.
Thank you so much, Gitika ji, and thank you so much, Sunny ji, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And yes, I would love to be over here and going ahead with this amazing conversation.
Yes. And I'm your heart and soul coach, Kitika Dadwani. And along with us, we also have Smiling Sunny, Mr. Sunny Nagpal, who is into brain design coaching and NLP training. And he is on a mission to impact lot of kids and individuals towards a path of clarity and purposeful living. Welcome, Sunny sir. Okay, over to you, Sadhna. You know, I want to know that why feeling emotional is underrated and why emotions are neglected so much.
All right, that's a great one. I would like to start with feeling emotional. Like, if I see my life, I had been a person who was like, I used to feel a lot, but never expressed it. I was a very less expressive person, especially my deep feelings or anything that is like very personal with respect to family, with respect to friends. So I was the person who did not used to express. So feeling emotional is like we all are emotional beings when we say, right? We are a human being, but that's an emotional being. We are having this experience over here on this earth, and we tend to go through lots of emotion, highs and lows, right? The positive one, the negative one, feeling happy, feeling sad, feeling bad, lot many things over a different frequency, over a zone of things. But what happens many a times as we have grown up in this society, it feels like that if we are seen as an emotional being or an emotional person, it would be something seen as weak, that oh, she is a weak person. Many times we are grown into that environment, especially males or the small kids, boys, who are always told, why are you crying? Are you a weak person? Why are you crying like a girl? And that's where the conditioning forms, and we start seeing emotion is equals to weakness. And that's the blunder or the mess that we create. Feeling emotional, feeling emotions are normal, and we need to get comfortable with seeing our own emotions. And once we see that, we are into a better way.
Yes, yes, absolutely. And even you have mentioned one line that you are not a girl, so don't cry. Even sometimes girls also hesitate to express themselves so much emotionally because they don't also want to show them as, weak or, they don't want to also show themselves because maybe the people will judge or they will be, treated as weak, and that's why today I think it's not about boys, girls, but it is about everyone that
Yes.
emotions are not accepted. So thank you so much, Sadhna, for beautifully pointing out those points. Now coming on to the second questions that you highlight, the second question, which is about the emotional acceptance. So
Hmm.
how we can be okay about our emotions and at the same time, what is the advantage of doing that?
Okay, so I would answer the first part and then we will move to the second part. So, as I said before, emotions are normal and it is something that happens to everyone. So, first thing that we need to do is becoming okay with it, normalizing it. कि हाँ ठीक है. If I am feeling sad, it is okay. This is also part of life. If I am feeling guilty about something or I am feeling jealousy, okay, it is fine because I am a human being. So first thing is that we need to get into acceptance कि हाँ ये मुझे feel हो रहा है. Many a times what happen, we run from our own emotions. We don't want to feel. And there is a deeper to that, and we are not going into that. Otherwise, it would be a lot different conversation. But it is coming from something else.
Yes.
Yeah. But important क्या है कि first thing that we see our emotion, we don't run away. Normalize it कि okay, feeling it is okay. Every human being feels so and so emotion at some part of their life.
Yes. Yes.
Once we normalize it, देखो क्या होता है ना जब हम देखते हैं कि many people are facing something similar, so we are like okay, it is okay, fine. We
Hmm.
are, है ना? If we see that okay, I am the only one who is suffering, then it is like oh my god, what is happening? But when we see many people go through the same thing, तो वो है ना थोड़ा normal लगने लगता है क्योंकि हम relate करते हैं,
Yes.
है ना? So once we normalize, we accept it. Then comes the acceptance, right? After normalization, कि okay, I am feeling so. All right, no worries, this will pass away. बस इतना सा करने की जरूरत है और ज्यादा जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है अक्सर.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. The
तो
second part was how it will help us,
एडवांटेज
right?
क्या होगा? लेट्स से कि ये अवेयरनेस आ गई जो आपने बताया है. व्हाट इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ दैट?
Oh, I love the word awareness because that's where the game begins. Yeah, that's the most important part क्योंकि अगर हम aware ही नहीं है तो फिर आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे? So yes, awareness, acceptance, normalization. लेकिन ये करने का सबसे बड़ा advantage क्या है? As you asked. So see, first of all, we start feeling normal. And when I say normal, that means कि we are not going into the victim mode or into a blame mode where we are like, oh, this is happening with me. Rather, we are like, oh, this is happening, it will pass away. The first thing that we get is that, okay, this will pass away because every emotion has a cycle. Every emotion has a cycle. It will last for few seconds to few minutes. And if we don't interrupt it, it will go away. And we will start feeling exactly fine after that. So that's the most important advantage कि पहले तो है ना we start processing it. Okay, see I would come to this. While processing, it doesn't get stored and it is not known to many people. See, emotions are here and here, right? It is stored in the heart and the mind. Everything is over here. But no, that's one part of the truth. The other part is every time when something happens, it creates certain kind of emotions, and that emotion releases some chemicals, or we can say hormones, in our body, and it is stored in our cells. That means in each of the cells of our body.
Yes. Yes.
And that's why if we process emotion, so the emotion will not get stored in our body and the cycle won't repeat. ठीक है, तो वो लूप ब्रेक हो जाएगा. Many a times
Right.
what happens with respect to emotion, there is looping,
राइट. राइट. राइट.
right? And
बहुत
that breaks.
सप्रेस करते हैं एंड उसको एक्सप्रेस नहीं करते हैं. और जो आपने बहुत अच्छे से बताया, अगर आप सप्रेस करेंगे, अगर आप एक्सप्रेस नहीं करेंगे, अगर आप प्रोसेस नहीं करेंगे द वर्ड दैट यू हैव यूज्ड, सो वो चीज स्टक हो जाएगी. बट अगर आपने उसी वक्त उसको रिलीज कर दिया, उसी वक्त आपने उसको प्रोसेस कर लिया, तो फिर वो आपका इमोशन आपकी बॉडी में नहीं रहेगा. थैंक यू सो मच साधना फॉर सिंप्लीफाइंग ऑल दिस थिंग. एंड थर्ड आते हैं इमोशनल हीलिंग पे. नाउ लेट्स से कि हम सब किसी ना किसी पॉइंट पे हमने कोई इमोशन सप्रेस किया होगा या इमोशनल सप्रेशन होता है. सो हाउ टू हील दैट इमोशनल ब्लॉकेज?
Okay, so I would give you this first of all about emotional healing and emotional release. That the word that you used, कि
यस.
release करना. Many a times people are like, okay, I'm ready to release, but how to do it? I don't know. Yeah, so I will talk about some simplified steps, and usse anyone who sits with those steps, they will be out of that emotion very soon. past. ठीक है? So it would be a 3 or 4 step. Let me like calculate right now with you all. So the first step is getting aware, not running away. Yeah, sit with yourself and get aware. For example, right now I'm feeling something. So let me just sit with myself. So that's the step one. Sit with yourself and start getting aware that what is happening. What am I feeling? ठीक है? That's the awareness. I'm feeling, for example, right now, I would be feeling some sort of irritation. Cut. ठीक है? So getting aware. Okay. Now, what is happening inside me? ठीक है? Second thing, what is happening inside me? कि अच्छा क्या हो रहा है? I'm feeling irritation, but what is exactly happening inside me, not the outside. The person is making me irritated. No. Inside me, what is happening? I'm getting irritated, so I'm feeling exhausted, or I am feeling some heaviness inside me, for example. So, awareness, then what is happening, and then accepting it. Okay, I am feeling this. I'm feeling this. And then getting into that process ki, okay, I know I'm feeling this. And I would give you a सबसे बेस्ट वाला अभी जो टूल है जो आई वुड बी सेइंग एनीवन दैट यूजेस दैट थिंग्स आर लाइक आप यहाँ से यहाँ लेकर आ सकते हो चीजों को एंड दैट्स अ डीप वर्क स्पेशली व्हेन यू डू लाइक यू नो जब किसी के साथ करोगे तो इसका ज्यादा आपको पता चलेगा बट स्टिल लेट मी गिव यू दिस सो यू गॉट इट कि दिस इज हैपनिंग व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इनसाइड मी accepting it, okay, this is happening. Now the fourth step, what am I feeling inside, what my body is trying to speak to me, what my body is trying to speak to me. And that answer may be something which is out of the box. ठीक है ये वाला जो सेंटेंस है ना ये आप कभी भी कहीं भी यूज कर सकते हो अकेले भी यूज कर सकते हो लेकिन ये बहुत पावरफुल है दैट व्हाट माय बॉडी इज ट्राइंग टू स्पीक टू मी आई एम फीलिंग इरिटेटेड आई एम फीलिंग एग्जॉस्टेड आई एम फीलिंग हैवी बट व्हाट माय बॉडी इज ट्राइंग टू teach me, ask me what it is saying. You can change the word, but it is like what it is saying. What does it need? And when you come to the need, emotions start disappearing because you actually reached that point. Hmm? For
Yes,
example, अगर हम same example ले, I will just complete this.
sure.
Same example. So my body, what does it need? What it is saying? It is saying, it is okay, please rest for half an hour today. Huh? Because many times you are trying to do so many things. So it is just saying, it is asking कि भाई आधे घंटे तुम आराम कर लो. अगर वो मांग रहा है उसे हम देते हैं तो it is like कि your body starts relaxing and
Yes.
that emotion will slowly disappear because हम उससे भागे नहीं है बल्कि उसके साथ बैठे थे.
Yes,
ठीक
yes.
है एंड कई बार कुछ नहीं करना होता है बस बैठना होता है कि ओके दिस इज हैपनिंग ऑलराइट सिटिंग फॉर फ्यू मिनट्स एंड इट्स गॉन. ठीक है एंड दिस कैन बी डन बाय एनी पर्सन एनीवेयर एट एनी फेज ऑफ लाइफ.
Yes, thank you so much, साधना. And आपने बहुत सिंपल स्टेप्स में इजी कर दिया इसको in order to identify it, at the same time accept it and heal also. Thank you so much, Sadhna, and over to Sunny ji for more interesting questions.
थैंक यू. अब मुझे नॉर्मल फील हो रहा है. और ऐसा
वंडरफुल.
लग रहा है कुछ नहीं करना है सिर्फ बैठना है. Thank you. So let's sing a song now, Sadhna.
ओके
Song for the loved ones, a song that heals, a song that touches hearts, a song that brings a smile. 2 lines.
आई सिंग.
हाँ.
वी ऑल कैन सिंग बिकॉज आई वुड बी ड्रैंक.
बोल दिया है. इतने सारे श्लोक हैं, भजन है, स्कूल की प्रेयर है.
Okay. So if you ask me, there is one song that is very, dear to me. I would say it's not a song, it's a bhajan. because that is something which keeps me or many people grounded as well as happy. If you know about it, Shukrana Tera. शुक्राना तेरा शुक्राना शुक्राना तेरा शुक्राना. आगे मुझे वैसे आता नहीं है, चालू करना पड़ेगा, but it's all about gratitude. Like whatever we have got from universe, God, or whomever you believe into. Yeah, so it's about paying that gratitude कि I am here because of you. तेरी रहमतों का कैसे करूं मैं, आई थिंक शुक्राना, दैट्स हाउ इट इज. तो जितना हमें मिला है या जो भी रहमत हमारे ऊपर हुई है, हाँ, द गॉड हैज दैट ग्रेस ऑन अस. तो उसका मैं किस तरह से शुक्राना करूं कि आप मुझे यहाँ तक लेकर आए हो.
आपने
मेरी
गाना
बचपन
गा
को
के कर दिया. थैंक यू साधना. अब हम वन वर्ड आंसर खेलेंगे.
हाँ, दिस वाज अ सडन शॉक एंड सरप्राइज फॉर मी.
शौक नहीं, भगवान ने सुन ली आपकी शुक्राने की प्रेयर. सो
यस.
लाइफ इन वन वर्ड.
लाइफ इन
वन वर्ड.
हैप्पीनेस.
हैप्पीनेस इन वन वर्ड.
जर्नी.
लव इन वन वर्ड.
मी.
कोचिंग इन वन वर्ड.
हेल्प.
हीलिंग इन वन वर्ड.
रिटन.
मनी इन वन वर्ड.
abundance.
भक्ति इन वन वर्ड.
Soul.
इमोशंस इन वन वर्ड.
Human.
मम्मी पापा इन वन वर्ड.
World.
गॉड इन वन वर्ड.
Everything.
साधना इन वन वर्ड.
Just a being.
Thank you so much for being. Yes, you are a pure, conscious, beautiful, Ashabdi, blissful one. We enjoyed a lot learning from you, being in your vibrations, and making us feel normal. Over to Gitika for the parting shot and the
Yes.
surprise. Thank you.
Oh, Sadhna, I just want you to share one message that you want to share with our Facebook family and to Shakti Success family.
Okay, let me see what's coming up over here right now. See, I feel we get stuck in a lot of things out of lot of reasons, challenges, situations. Sometimes it's like very overwhelming कि नहीं ये तो ऐसा है ही, हम क्या करें. है
Right.
ना, कई बार situations ऐसी होती है जिसमें people feel helpless, they are not able to do anything.
Right.
But I feel things doesn't stop there. I carry one thing with me, that everything is happening for a reason. Today I don't know what the reason is, but everything has a reason, and this is not philosophical. This is
Right.
something that we need to walk on. कि कुछ भी हो रहा है ना, एक चीज तो पकड़ के चल रहा है कि यार मैं इसमें कुछ कर सकता हूँ, कर सकती हूँ. If हमने पहले ही गिव अप कर दिया तो क्या मतलब है.
Right. Being
पहले ये
determined. And
हाँ कि I can do something in this, rather than putting responsibility on someone else. Take that responsibility on yourself. फिर आप चाहे अच्छा करो या खराब करो, but खुद से कर रहे हो ना, it will give you that satisfaction. या कम से कम किसी और को हम blame नहीं करेंगे, ओ इसके वजह से हुआ. ठीक है.
Right.
तो पहली चीज वो है कि मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ, that's my responsibility. And second thing, that most important that I told, everything has a reason. Today I don't know, but someday I will know. And even if I don't know, doesn't matter. But everything is being carried out by the divine plan.
Yeah. I love the idea of fierce determination and don't give up attitude. And most important, taking personal responsibility. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
sir. Yes. Yes. Do you want to continue some
Oh,
sharing?
I just got it कि many times when I talk to people, so it's like, yeah, this is happening with me. These people are doing this. These people are doing that. Earlier, I did not realize कि okay, I used to talk about my challenges, but not in this way that people are doing this. But now I realize कि अच्छा वो पहले से भी था थोड़ा अंदर, तो it became very easy for me to see things. But then
Yes.
sometimes it becomes difficult for people to see in that way that this is happening because of them. Nahi. This is happening because somehow I have ended up into this thing, or something it needs to teach me, or something in me called it out to teach me something.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sadhna, for your wisdom and lovely insights. And thank you. And
I loved it.
yes, I also loved it. And thank you to our Shakti Success family, Facebook family, Sunny Ji. Thank you, Sadhna. And yes, join Shakti Success Hub, and we'll see you in the next live session. Till then,
Thank
bye
you.
bye. Take care.
Bye
Thank
bye. Take care. Thank you.